guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, we are doing the theme of animal print, and I absolutely love animal print designs on nails. I don't do them very often, but whenever I get a chance, I really like to join collabs where we are actually doing animal print. For my base, I will be using this nail polish from Moonshine Many that was sent to me as PR, and I think I will be going more with kind of like a giraffe theme. I really like the giraffe designs on this stamping plate, so I do hope that you will enjoy my manicure, and if you do like nail art tutorial videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I do hope that you will like what you see here, and if you do, then also please hit the subscribe button before you leave. If you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Again, I know I'm not really replying back to any of your comments lately, but I do read them all and I really appreciate it. Please bear with me. I have some things in the making, so definitely stay tuned for that video this week because I will have some exciting news. And to make sure that you don't miss out on that, then be definitely subscribed. Anyways, I will leave for you all the links to the videos that were created for this collab in the description box, and all the pictures will be also at the end of my video, so definitely stay tuned till the very end. I'm gonna cut it short here, so thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop.